Hare Krishna. Welcome back to Easy Programming by Venu Gopal. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to calculate some of the digits of a number. Let's start. So here I'm creating a new file in VS Code. So the file name is sum digits.py. And here we'll write the question: program to calculate or find sum of the digits of the given number. For example, if you give the n value 456, 4 plus 5 plus 6. So this will be how much here? 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. If you give the 456, output should be 15 like this. Same way, if you give 25, the output should be 2 plus 5, that is 7 like this. So we have to find some of the digits like this. Now, this program I'll explain different ways. One is step-by-step procedure, that is using loop step by step. And the second one is, so I will try to explain in a single line using some function. So first I'll explain using the loop. Right. So here, first we'll read a number from keyboard, n equal to int of input of enter the number. And here initially I am taking total equal to 0. Total variable I am setting initially to 0. And here the condition while loop with condition n not equal to 0. If it is not equal to 0, then we'll divide the number with 10. And here we can find the remainder. And then this remainder we can add to one variable, that is total. How to add? Total equal to total plus r. Or shortcut also we can do that. Instead of like this, simply we can do total plus equal to r also. Okay, so every time the remainder value we are adding to the total variable. Then at the same time again we can find the quotient by dividing the number with 10, and that will update to the same variable, that is n. That's it. Now finally here we can print the sum of the digits. That is what? Total. That's it. Now let me save and run by sum digits .py. Here we'll enter the number 123. Now the sum is 6 because 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 6. Like here, if you enter the say for example just 25, 2 digits number, that is 7. So let me explain how this program will work. So first here, let me take a small value, n equal to 25. Now initially total is 0. 25 not equal to 0, that is true, so that it will enter inside this loop. Now here we are dividing the number with the 10. Okay, first time we are dividing the number with 10. Okay, so let me divide here. 25 we are dividing with the 10. So 10 to the 20. So that here remainder is 5. This is a remainder and this is the quotient. So let's update here the remainder r equal to how much? 5. Then here quotient, right? At the same time we are also calculating quotient that we can store into n. What is the n value quotient? That is 2, right? And here we can substitute, I mean we can add these or the remainder to the total. So if we add the remainder to the total, what is the total here? Total equal to initially 0, 0 plus 5 is 5. Okay, right. So the total is now 5. So that is going to update here, right? 5. Now, next again the control will go back because of it is loop. Now here n value is what? Last updated n value is 2. So 2 not equal to 0, that is true. Again, this 2 second time we have to divide with 10 again. So 10 zeros at this time. 10 zeros are 0. Now the remainder is 2. Now this is a remainder and this is a quotient. Okay. So again we can substitute here. R value is 2 and then n value is 0. And here we can calculate the total. So last updated total is 5. So 5 plus R, that is 2. 5 plus 2 means that is 7 here. Okay. Now again control go back. Now see this time n value is 0, right? See last updated n value is 0. 0 not equal to 0 is false. So that it will terminate the loop. I mean, it will not enter into the loop. It will exit. And then finally here we are printing the total. Okay, if you give the 25, the total is 7 here, like that. So this is a step-by-step procedure using the loop. Now this program we also can do little bit easy way. Let's copy this code. We can also use this one. It's a little bit easy. So how here instead of entering the number in integer format, you can take like string format. Take the string format, and here I will take here loop for loop for let's take like the one thing here. I will just remove all these digits for for digit in n. Okay, and here total equal to total plus int of digit. Int of digit. That's it. Means here what we are doing, we are entering the number in string format, and from the string here we are extracting one digit, means one number or one digit we are extracting, but this is a string type. Okay, it's a string type. Every digit is a string type. Whole number also string type. Every digit also string type. That's why that string of digit we are converting into integer and we are adding to the total like that one by one. Okay, so finally here we are printing the total. So then save and run. And here let's enter the small number 25. Now see this is a 7. Okay, see how it is working. Suppose if I enter the 25, so 25 is a string type, right? So that we can extract it using the loop. So first 2 will come. Okay, first 2 digit is 2. That 2 we are converting into integer. Okay, and that we are adding to total. Now total is 2. Second time from this n we can extract what? 5. So digit is 5 now. That is a string format. Again, we are converting into integer format, and that we are adding to the previous one. Previous one. That will become what here now? 7 like this. So finally, so it will terminate the loop now, and we'll print what? Total like this. Or let's do this in what? Using sum. I'll show one more method. I said using the sum in single line. I'll try to write in a single line. It's very simple. Now here, let's take here sum function. It is a predefined function. Sum for digit in input of enter the number. Enter the number. Okay. Now here we are entering number, and that is in string format. So from this string of from the string of integer, we are taking one digit. That each digit we have to convert into integer type. Means we are doing the typecasting. That's it like this. And then let's print all these using print like this. Save it. Now run it. For example, 25. Let me give the same number 25. Now see the output is 7. Okay, we can give any big number also. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see this is 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 4 is 10 like this. It's a single line. Okay, right. So here what we are doing actually, we are entering the number in a string format. Now from that number, suppose if I take 12, now it is a string format. Now here what it will do, it will take one digit. first time 1. That here actually 1 means here it is string format, and here we are converting into integer format now. Okay, then next time 2 will come, that is string format. Okay, and that here we are converting into integer format. Okay, previous I mean what it will do, the sum, it is going to add these two numbers like this. Then finally here we'll get what, if I give 12, the output is what here, 13 like this. Sorry, 1 plus 2 what here, 3. Sorry, 3. Okay, right. Like this, if I enter the 12, that is 3 like this. So in this way we can calculate the sum of the digits of a given number. So for more such videos, you can subscribe the channel, click on bell button, and in the next video I'll come with another important program. Hare Krishna.